20. Acton, Bedley, Caraway and Didborough are 4 towns along a straight road. The distance from Acton to Didborough is 56 miles. Some of the other distances between the towns are shown on the diagram below. What is the distance between Bedley and Caraway? An important fact we're given in this question is that the distance from Acton to Didborough is a total of 56 miles. We can use this fact to help us work out the distance from Bedley to Caraway. First of all, if we know that this total distance is 56 miles, and we know that from Acton to Caraway is 28 of those miles, as we're told here, then we can work out the remaining distance, first of all, from Caraway to Didborough by subtracting 28 from 56. If you're not sure how to do this mentally, then you could make some quick jottings. The difference between 28 and 56 can be calculated like this. From 28 to 30 is a difference of 2. From 30 to 56 is a difference of 26. 2 and 26 makes 28. So the distance from Caraway to Didborough must be 28 miles. We can now work out the distance from Bedley to Acton or Acton to Bedley. This time we're working in the opposite direction. If we know the distance from Didborough to Bedley is 43 miles, and we know that this total distance is 56 miles, then this distance must be the difference between 43 miles and 56 miles. The difference between 43 and 56 is 13. That means this distance must be 13 miles. And now we can use this to help us work out this distance here. Remember, the entire distance from Acton all the way to Didborough is 56 miles. We have 28 miles here and a further 13 miles here. First of all, we should add together 28 and 13. 8 plus 3 is 11. 2 and 1 is 3, and 1 more is 4. So this distance and this distance adds to 41 miles. The difference between 41 and 56 is 15. So this distance here must be 15 miles in order for those 3 distances here, here and here to add up to a total of 56. This means the answer to this question is C. The distance from Bedley to Caraway is 15 miles. And you can show your answer like this.